Will the Benny Bradley's baby-proofing cabinet latch locks really be able to hold 25 pounds, as they say on their product pages? Let's find out. So what we have set up over here are 25 pounds on an adjustable dumbbell, and we're going to put it on afterwards. Let's just make sure it really is 25 pounds. Yep, 25 pounds on the dot. All right. Now, we are going to take one of the latches and install it. Now, normally, it's said that we should wait for the adhesive to cure for about 8 hours for best results. We're going to try this experiment with less than best results and see what we get. All right, so I'm gonna move this dumbbell over to this padded area just in case it doesn't work out. Now we're gonna use this rope to hook it on over here. Okay, let's see what happens. Whoa, it holds entirely. Will a baby really be able to have greater strength than 25 pounds of pulling? Or even a toddler? It holds.
Hello there, this is Carol from Benny Bradley's. We made this video not just to show you how strong our product is, but also to make sure you received our product at the quality we intended. We're parents too, and just like you, we get frustrated when products don't work as advertised or intended. If you somehow find your Benny Bradley's cabinet locks don't stick to your cabinets as well as we have demonstrated here in this video, we would like to send you a replacement. Please reach out to us at help@bennybradleys.com with your order number, and we'll either send you a replacement set free of charge or your full money back. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you will give Benny Bradley's cabinet locks a try. Go to bennybradleys.com for more information.